We found this clip from my boy, streamer. He's not a YouTuber. Let's get it straight. This guy, Asmongold, he's a streamer, and he did a recent segment which we saw, and BJ and Patrice and I thought it's hilarious. But my boy Asmongold is not a plastic surgeon. He's a streamer. I didn't even know what that was until I just got educated. But anyway, he is commenting on the age of these girls and then how much Botox they get. And let's just take a listen.
So much Botox that made these women's faces look weird. Uh-oh, I'm afraid. What is she, like 18?
Nikki, how old are you and how many units of Botox do you have?
41. 32 units.
32 units.
I mean, it's like, first of all, there's nothing funny about what he's saying, but he's just his mannerisms and his delivery is just funny. I found it very entertaining listening to Asmongold. So, okay, like nothing earth-shattering there.
Is that a lot?
Emma, how old are you?
22.
How many units
Man.
of Botox do you have?
32.
Jody, how old are you?
So 32 units of Botox is it's not a lot. I would say if you looked at across the board, I would say average units of Botox that people get, it would be probably 40. But, those two women were younger, so oftentimes they don't need as much. So 32 units, totally reasonable.
55.
And how many units
I
of
feel like 55. Like, she looks pretty good for 55. Like, hey, at work, kind of, right?
Botox do you have?
64.
Lauren, how old are you?
Okay, that's really looks really good for 55. And she gets 64 units of Botox, obviously more. I would have to say, and people are going to run out and like, oh man, I'm going to look like her and get 64 units of Botox. Doesn't really work like that. I guarantee you she has good genes. That's the number one thing. That's like I always see how your best friend always tell you, oh, you gotta, when you're good at dating a new girlfriend, you gotta look at the mom. It's like, what are you talking about? But it's kind of true advice. The genetics do come into play. So 64 units. That's getting
24.
up there.
And how many units of Botox?
24. That's crazy.
I have 104. I have 40 in my
I could believe that. 104. Yeah.
ambassadors and 64 in my face.
Dr. Coos, how old are you?
44.
Asmongold with another just nugget gem. But 104 units, oh my God. I think one of the things I would say, she gets masseter Botox. That's a lot. You have to actually use a lot in the masseter. Masseter, we've talked about it before. Do you guys remember? Strongest muscle in the body. It's like makes the mandible close. Of course, except in one exception, which is my bicep, which is stronger than the average person's masseter. But anyway, 104 units, that is a lot, but I'd give her a pass because she's getting masseter Botox.
4.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
76.
Damn, bro, like, I'm gonna be real, like, her face looks like it hurts.
Kyla, how old are you?
34.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
I have 28 in my face.
I don't know what he's talking about there, but 76 units. I mean, man, that is a little crazy. Like, I'm not sure where these people are putting that much Botox. I'll have patients, and typically these are women that are maybe 50s, 60s, 70s, and those tend to have more wrinkles. What the basics of this is that you have muscles, dynamic wrinkles. Those are things that basically the muscles in your face, as you do facial expression, frowning, smiling, all these different things, the muscles can crease the skin. And over time, as you get older, the more the skin creases, it's like a piece of tinfoil. The more it creases, it eventually can crack. So you can get a deeper wrinkle from the dynamic lines. Now, those lines are different from sun aging, which we call actinic changes. Those also can be wrinkles and fine lines and things like that. So it's different from that. Botox doesn't do anything for that, but it does it for dynamic wrinkles. So what you can do, and this is why it actually makes some sense for younger people to think about Botox, because the less creasing of the skin, the less likely you're going to get a permanent crease, dermal crease in the skin that you can see. So that's the thing where these people, but I mean, it's just like 60-year-old women that I treat all the time, they're getting maybe 55 units, 60 units. But man, for a 30-year-old getting 76 units, it seems a little bit excessive to me.
Kyla, how old are you?
34.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
I have 28 in my face, and I have 25 in each of my trapezius muscles to help with migraines.
Help with migraines? Oh, I can't wait to find out this one. This one's going to be great.
Yeah, that trapezius thing, that was a big Instagram, social media fad. I don't think that works. Actually, we tested that at our medical spa. Actually, BJ, see if you can pull up those pictures, but it didn't do it. It's supposed to give you more of a contour there to kind of give you more of a sleek looking neck or something like that. But we actually tested it and didn't think it did anything. Uh-oh.
Oh, I can't wait to find out this one. This one's going to be great.
Devaney, how old are you?
23.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
60.
The only thing surprising about this is that it was only 60. Bro, like she got a forehead as big as mine. That's bad.
Oh, Asmongold, man, another gem coming from our streamer. But she did have a high forehead. It was actually probably just as much as Asmongold's, but 60 units. Again, there's a lot of these patients, women on here that are having very high units of Botox compared to, I think, what we see in real life.
Kristen, how old are you?
I'm 41.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
I have 56.
How old are you?
33.
And how many units of Botox do you have?
128.
Whoa, 100, she said 128 units. That's just, she's 33 and 120. There's a math formula for this, and that's very uncommon, if not impossible. So I don't know if they're squirting half of that on the ground, but that's definitely excessive.
Where do you have that?
Everywhere.
Everywhere, like what that seems a little bit general, but okay.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. What we learned from this is that if you are in your 20s, you don't need to be putting this shit on your face. Yeah, they look 40. Well, it's funny because, like, the women that are 40 use Botox to look 40, and the women that are 20 also use Botox to look 40. It's basically the same thing, but from a different direction. Yeah, exactly. I think that's what this really shows is, like, if you're getting this shit on yourself before you're, like, fucking 30, you have a mental disorder.
So I think the one thing, Asmongold, not having any medical background, actually did pretty good, I'd say. But, you know, there is some value, I think, for young patients to consider doing Botox because, as we've talked about, what you're trying to do is minimize that dynamic effect of the muscle on your skin over time. But that being said, it's not just Botox. Botox it's a program, and part of the things is your genetics, what you're doing with your skin, wearing sunblocks, using other skincare products. So all of those things can preserve your skin. And then certainly somebody's looks are not just Botox. So Asmongold's still funny though. I enjoyed it.